as per my promise, here I am going to help you to learn about the scalp manipulation technique. For that, you need a white tooth comb, and first of all, you have to comb the hair thoroughly, comb it properly and thoroughly. Then the next step is to take required amount of oil and a cotton swab. You have to warm the oil by help of a dryer. Then gently apply this oil over the scalp by making sectioning this way. You have to thoroughly apply the oil. Make a section. No need to apply over the hair. You need to apply on the scalp only. Take small amount of oil every time and apply throughout the scalp. And do not forget to apply the oil over at the hair line. This is our hairline and the nape of the neck. This is the nape of the neck. So oil is applied throughout the scalp. Then the next step is to start our massage. So for scalp massage, there are basic 5 techniques are there. That is effleurage, patrices, friction, vibration and tapotement. For effleurage, we need to use our fingertips and pads, and this effleurage technique helps to blend the oil throughout the scalp. So this way, gently you have to move the fingers and finger pads over that imaginary line. And last time I show you that imaginary line. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Same on the other side also. So this way you have to move your fingers just over the scalp without dragging the hair. This effleurage technique will help to spread the oil throughout the scalp, and you have to repeat these strokes 3 times. And don't forget to give the same massage at the meridian, at the middle of the scalp. Then we will go for the patrices technique. Patrices is a technique which we used during doffing the floor. This can be given this way or this way. So here we will use this technique. Just use your fingertips. Just squeeze the scalp, relax it, squeeze it, relax it, squeeze it, relax it. And you have to apply these strokes over those imaginary lines that I already described. These 6 imaginary lines will cover the whole scalp. And again you have to repeat these strokes 3 times. And don't forget to give the same strokes at the meridian. Then the next technique is to give massage at your hairline. Do not forget to give massage at the hairline. You have to apply half circle or C. This is half circle or C. This way you have to massage the hairline. Our hairline plays an important role to give a shape to our face, and it will be reset back by regular use of helmets, scarves, and those who are habituated of using very tight hair braids. So give importance to that hairline. Use these strokes 3 times at the hairline, and at the nape of the neck just use your thumb. This is the deep pressure, and at the first cervical vertebra just give a gentle vibration. So this way you have to give the scalp massage throughout the whole scalp, and each stroke should be applied 3 times. Then the last stroke I am going to give, that is the deep pressure. By using your thumb, just give deep pressure in a circular motion. This should be given by pressing and lifting the scalp. Just press it, lift it, press it, lift it, press it, lift it, press it, lift it. And this way you have to cover the whole scalp by help of the thumb. Then we have to go to the back. For that we need to, after the scalp massage, just secure the hair properly by help of a clutcher, and we will go to give a massage at the back. Back massage is also necessary. Your shoulder and back massage is necessary because this is the point of all type of stress and tension. If the person is in stress and tension, there is a lack of blood circulation to the hair root, and that hair root papilla supplying nutrition to the whole hair. So we need to focus at the back also. This way, this is the 7th cervical vertebra. Here you have to give the S and 8. If your fingers are not moving properly, just take a dip of the drop of oil and give this S and 8 stroke at the 7th cervical vertebra, and gently massage at the side of the back with your thumb in a deep pressure technique. Vibration at the first cervical vertebra. Again come back to the 7th cervical vertebra, give ascendant strokes, move your thumb gently at the side of the spinal column and vibration. Then hold the complete back and neck, give a vibration, again vibration, repeat it 3 times. Then gently give massage at the shoulder blade this way by helping of your finger pads and heel of your palm. Gently massage it. Hold the shoulder blade, lift it, vibrate it, lift it, vibrate it, lift it, vibrate it. So back massage is over. Now the next stroke is vibration and tapotement. Again you have to give vibration at the scalp. For that take a small bunch of hair, hold it gently, but remember you will not drag your hair, you will not pull your hair. Just gently hold a pinch of hair, a bunch of hair, vibrate it, leave it, vibrate it, leave it. And you have to move your hand over those imaginary lines. Repeat it 3 times. Then the deep vibration technique. For that make a pony at the back, vibrate it, then at the ponytail area and at the crown. Repeat this 3 times. Then the last stroke is tapping and hacking. For hacking, just use your hands this way. Gently strokes should be given at the scalp and at the shoulder. Then at the end, this is the tapping and patting. This is the end of the scalp massage. You have to relax the strokes. Strokes should be given in a slow, medium and deep way. Then again you have to finish it by tapping and patting. So this is all about our scalp manipulation. After that we have to go for steaming or the turban therapy. For that you can take boiled water in a bowl. Then use this medium size of towel, dip inside that water and squeeze it gently. Then apply that towel over the scalp very gently so that it will stimulate further the hair root. So friends, this is all about the scalp manipulation. Hope this video will helpful for you to take care of your hair during this lockdown period. Till then, keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel Sumi Kaya Kalpam, share it, like it, and do not forget to post your comments, suggestion. It is very valuable for me. Till then, take care, keep smiling, stay healthy, bye bye.